This is a PlayPosit interactive video, and we'd like to call it Bob. Your instructor have built a Bob with an interactive question, supportive resources, and more to create an active learning experience. We'll help you familiarize yourself with PlayPosit Player and the interaction you will see when taking a Bob. On the lower right of the player, you can set the player to full screen or adjust other settings with the gear icon. You can adjust the volume and toggle on the caption if your instructor has enabled it for the Bob. When taking the Bob, be ready to work with several types of interaction. For example, there might be multiple choice questions, fill in the blank, free response questions, discussion forums, or more. When the interaction requires you to type in your response, you can use the rich text editor to format your answer, upload an image, or even record your responses. When taking the Bob, you can click on the sidebar icon on the lower left to expand the sidebar. You can see your progress and click on the note to open the notepad, which allows you to take a time-stamping note while watching the Bob. You can easily download the note by clicking on the download icon. You can also click on the transcript to view and jump to different parts of the Bob based on the caption. Please keep in mind that you will need to watch to the end of the Bob and see the completion page in order to complete the Bob and send the progress to the gradebook. When you take the Bob, you might run into some playback issues, such as slow video loads, blocked video, video streams failing to load, or player error. This issue might be caused by an unstable internet connection, an outdated browser, or the device type you are using. If you encounter any of these issues, please try to update the browser, clear browser cache and cookies, disable browser extensions, try incognito mode, try a different device, or try a different network. You can also try to switch to a different video source if that is an option for the Bob. Don't worry if the video playback issue still occurs, and our team is always happy to help. Please take a screenshot of the issue, tell us the name of the lesson, and send the information to our team at help@playposit.org. You can also check out our troubleshooting article that provides excellent tips on how to resolve playback issues, and the Learner Experience article that walks you through the complete process of using PlayPosit as a learner. Of course, you can always reach out to us if you have any questions.